Are you an e-commerce owner struggling to gain visibility and sell your products on Google? It's no secret that the world of e-commerce is fiercely competitive. With countless websites vying for the attention of consumers, standing out from the crowd can be a daunting task. For many, the challenge begins with securing a spot on Google's first page of search results, a battleground where only the strongest survive. Beyond visibility, effectively marketing your products is another hurdle to overcome. Crafting compelling product descriptions, optimizing images, and managing user reviews are all part of this intricate dance. Furthermore, attracting customers is just half the battle. Retaining them, encouraging repeat purchases, and building brand loyalty are all critical elements for long-term success. These challenges, left unaddressed, can hamper the growth of even the most promising e-commerce businesses. But what if there was a way to overcome these challenges and gain an edge over your competition? Enter Google Merchant Center, a tool that can help you navigate the choppy waters of e-commerce competition. Google Merchant Center is a digital platform designed to streamline and enhance your online presence. It's like having a dedicated team working around the clock to ensure your products are seen by the right audience. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You upload your product data to Google Merchant Center, and it becomes available for Google services like Google Shopping and product ads. This means your products are directly showcased to millions of Google users, right when they're searching for what you offer. But that's not all. Google Merchant Center also integrates with other Google services, providing you a comprehensive approach to reach your potential customers. You see, it's not just about selling, it's about maximizing visibility and creating opportunities for growth. In essence, Google Merchant Center can serve as your digital storefront, making your products more visible to potential customers. So why should you consider adding your e-commerce website to the Google Merchant Center program? That's a question worth exploring, and the answer lies in a myriad of benefits that could propel your e-commerce business to new heights. Let's start with improved visibility on Google. By listing your products on Google Merchant Center, you're practically setting up shop on the world's largest search engine. The result? Your products become instantly visible to millions of potential customers who use Google every day. It's like having a billboard in Times Square, except it's on Google, and it's seen by a much wider global audience. Next, let's talk about ranking. We all know how crucial it is to rank high on Google search results. With Google Merchant Center, your chances of ranking higher become significantly greater. This is because Google values its Merchant Center listings and often prioritizes them in search results. And as we all know, the higher you rank, the more visibility you gain, leading to more potential customers. Now imagine reaching a wider audience without any geographical restrictions. That's another benefit of Google Merchant Center. Your products can be seen by people across the globe, opening up a world of opportunities for global sales. It's like having a global storefront without the overhead costs of a physical store. And then, of course, comes the potential for increased sales. With greater visibility, higher rankings, and a wider audience, your chances of selling more products increase exponentially. But remember, it's not just about selling more, it's about building a relationship with your customers, establishing trust, and creating a loyal customer base. But the benefits extend beyond these tangible outcomes. By adding your e-commerce website to the Google Merchant Center program, you're aligning yourself with a trusted brand, Google. This association can enhance your credibility and foster trust among your customers. By adding your e-commerce website to the Google Merchant Center program, you're not just selling more products, you're building a stronger, more visible online presence. So why not take advantage of these benefits and give your e-commerce business the boost it deserves?